Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb hold out and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb hold out is to resist or survive in a dangerous, difficult or stressful situation. During World War II, many Jewish people went into hiding to escape capture by Nazi Germany. Some held out in underground hiding spots for years. The small battalion are under attack. We need to hold out a little longer for backup. Meaning two of hold out is to last or make something last throughout a difficult time. He was hungry and ate his lunch before the office lunch hour. How will I hold out for the day? I shouldn't have eaten it so early. The military had to survive on few rations. We don't have much, guys, but we have enough to hold out until help arrives. Meaning three of hold out is to offer a chance, hope, or possibility of something. The doctor gives the family some reassuring news. It's good that you guys have held out hope throughout the sickness, because she has beaten the illness. The employee isn't very confident of landing the promotion. I didn't do well in the interview, so I'm not holding out any hope. Meaning four of hold out is to refuse to give information that somebody wants. The detective is finding it hard to get anything out of the interview. I know you were holding out on me here. Just tell us what we need to know. Management still haven't told their staff who got the promotion. What are they holding out for? I wish they would just tell us already. Meaning five of hold out is refusing to accept something which is not good enough or large enough, which makes you demand more. The customer regrets not negotiating further. I'm happy with the product, but I should have held out a little longer to bring the price down. The customer wants a discount to their service if they are to sign up with the salesman. The salesman awaits word from his manager to see if he can give the discount. I don't know how long I can hold out before I lose this sale. So let's look back on what we covered. Hold out can mean to resist or survive in a dangerous, difficult, or stressful situation. They held out for weeks before succumbing to the sickness. To last or make something last throughout a difficult time. I'm holding out on eating my cake. I want to keep it. To offer a chance, hope, or possibility of something. I held out hope that one day I would land my dream job, and I did. To refuse to give information that somebody wants. I held out as long as I could, but I told them in the end. Refusing to accept something which is not good enough or large enough, which makes you demand more. I'm holding out until they make a better offer. Where did you hear the phrasal verb hold out? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.